So guys, for the first method, you want to re-download the installer. So just re-download the installer again. Now you want to right click on it and then click on run as admin and then click on yes. See if that works. For the second method, you want to go to search and type in services. Click on it. And now once we're on this, we're going to scroll down until we find Windows Installer. Scroll down until we find Windows Installer. Double click on it. You want to click on Start, which will now make the server status running, and then click on OK. And now you want to click on Restart. You want to restart the Windows Installer service. See if that works. For the last method, you want to go to search and type in cmd. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once we're on this, you want to type in msi exec space / unregister. And then click on enter. And now you want to type in msi exec space / reg server. And then click on enter again. Now you want to restart your computer, come back into Windows, and then hopefully this will fix your problem.